pushback rack provides space-saving, dense pallet storage using a system of enveloping wheeled carts nested on slightly inclined rails. Ideal for high-volume, high-SKU applications, each pushback lane can store a unique SKU, up to 6 pallets deep. Using standard forklift equipment, the first pallet is placed on the top cart. As the second pallet is inserted, the first pallet and cart are gently pushed back, exposing the second cart. The process continues until the last pallet is placed directly on pushback rail. Pallet extraction is accomplished in the same manner. As the forklift removes the front pallet, the rear pallets and carts gently flow forward toward the aisle. When the lane is empty, all carts are stacked and ready for reloading. The Apex Rack Repair Training Guide has expanded information regarding pushback rack systems, components, and applications. Please feel free to call the Apex team with additional questions.